6 weeks old, 42,000 subscribers, 4.8 million views, and one video sitting at 1.4 million on a channel that has never shown a face. Now, here's the part that actually got me. The visuals are stick figures, round heads, dot eyes, drawings a 10-year-old could make. No animation team, no editor, no studio. So, whatever is pulling millions of views here, it is not production skill, it's a pattern. And a pattern can be studied, reverse engineered, and rebuilt as your own. That's exactly what I did. I spent weeks packing that entire pattern into one Claude skill, one file. It researches the topic, writes the script, generates the voiceover, draws every single frame, edits the video, and even packages the title and thumbnail. Today, I'm running it in front of you, start to finish. And if you can type a sentence, you can do everything you're about to see. Here's a taste of what this system built while I sat back and just approved.
You have never been truly thirsty. You've felt the dry mouth, hot afternoon kind, the I forgot my water bottle kind, maybe the regrettable third margarita kind, but
Quick reality check before we build. A video like this normally takes 4 people: someone to research what actually gets views, someone to write the script, a voice artist, an editor. That's why most people watch a breakdown like this and never start. Not because they lack talent, because they can't be 4 people at once. And the AI shortcut everyone teaches, it's a credit trap. Image credits here, voice credits there, an assembly tool on top. I'll show you the exact bill at the end of this video and what this build cost me instead. That difference is the whole reason this video exists. The system runs in 5 steps. 1, a 5-minute setup you do once. 2, drop in the skill. 3, it researches what people are already searching for. 4, script and voiceover, with you approving at every gate. And 5, it draws every frame and assembles the finished video. Captions burned in, thumbnail included. Let's run it. First, the setup. You do this once and never touch it again. Download the Claude desktop app and open it. Pick a folder for your channel. Everything the system makes, scripts, audio, every frame, the finished video, lands in this one folder, organized. Then connect the tools. The voice comes from HeyGen. The research runs on vidIQ. And the images generate inside Google Flow in the browser. Claude drives it for you. No code anywhere. You're clicking connect and signing in. That is the entire skill level required. Now the part that separates this from every other AI video tutorial, I drop my skill into Claude. It's called MANAN Faceless Video. And before it makes anything, it checks its own toolkit, which tools are connected, which are missing. Nothing breaks silently. Then it asks me 3 questions. What do you want to make? How many videos, short or long? That's the entire interface. And then it does what almost nobody does before hitting record. It researches demand. It pulls real search volume, real competition scores, trending topics in the niche. It's not guessing what might work. It's reading what is already working. Then it drafts titles and scores each one against real data. Same for the thumbnail concept. Is code before a single frame exists? Think about that. Most creators package a video after it's made. This system packages it first because the title and the thumbnail decide whether anyone presses play at all. Topic lock. Now it writes the script. Hook first. The most surprising line lands in the first 2 seconds because that's where videos live or die. Second person, so the viewer is inside the story, and a curiosity gap that only resolves at the very end. That's what holds people to the last second. And listen, because I want you to hear this straight. The script it writes is a strong 80%. The last 20, your angle, your examples, your voice, that's you. That 20% is what makes the video yours instead of everyone's. The moment I approve the script, it generates the voiceover. Same voice, every video. When there's no face, that consistency is your brand. It hands me the audio file, I listen. And here's the rule. Approve the voice before anything else happens. Because every image that follows gets timed to this exact audio, word by word, voice first, always. Now the frames, the step where everyone normally gets stuck or goes broke. Watch how it handles both. First, the style lock. Every single image prompt starts with the exact same style clause, word for word, same characters, white, round heads, dot eyes, simple colored clothes. That's why frame 40 matches frame 4. Consistency isn't luck, it's a locked sentence. Second, the pacing map. The skill reads the voiceover timestamps and plans a new image roughly every 2.5 seconds. No frame overstays its welcome. That's retention engineering. Dead air is where viewers leave. And third, the money part. These images generate in Google Flow, covered by one Google AI plan. Around 100 images a day on a flat subscription. No per image credit bill. The popular way does this exact step on credit packs, and I'll show you what that costs in a minute. Before it spends anything, it shows me the full shot table, every frame, every timestamp. Nothing generates until I say go. Then it builds and sends frames back into the chat as they finish. So I'm checking the style live. Assembly. No editor, no editing app, no export queue on someone else's server. The skill cuts the video on my own machine. Every image timed to the voiceover, long beats split, so nothing ever sits still. Then my favorite part, the captions, word by word, one big word at a time, popping exactly on the voice. Numbers in yellow, shock words in red, burned into the video. A huge share of viewers watch with sound off. These captions are retention insurance, and it doesn't stop at the video. It renders the thumbnail from the researched concept, writes the description with chapters, the tags from the actual keyword data, and drops a publish ready folder. Video, caption version, thumbnail, metadata, done. Here's the finished video, exactly as it came out. Watch it like a viewer would.
You have never been truly thirsty. You've felt the dry mouth, hot afternoon kind, the I forgot my water bottle kind, maybe the regrettable third margarita kind, but actual, cracked ground, 2 days without a drink thirst? Almost certainly not. But 100,000 years ago, every one of your ancestors woke up to exactly that problem. No taps, no wells, just dry ground, and a body that quits after about 3 days. So how did they find water every single morning? That's what we're figuring out. Because finding water isn't one skill, it's 3 problems stacked on top of each other: knowing where it is, getting it out of the ground, and carrying it to wherever you go next. Miss one, and you're finished. First, where is it? And the oldest trick is gloriously lazy. You let something else find it for you. Every animal out there needs water daily and has already memorized every source nearby.
Now the moment of truth. On the left, a real video from the channel we studied. On the right, what my skill just built. Same energy, same pacing discipline, same kind of hook, different topic, our own script, our own angle. That's the difference between copying and learning. Copying takes their video. Learning takes the lesson. We took the lesson. Let's talk numbers because nobody shows you this part, honestly. The popular credit stack way, the voice subscription runs about $22 a month. The image tool, a real build in this exact style, burned 189 image credits for a 1-minute video. The $15 starter plan gives you 200 credits a month. One video and your month is basically gone. To post consistently, you need the $39 tier, so call it $60+ a month, and every video still eats your balance. Scale to daily uploads and you're in the $100 tier. My stack, one Google AI plan, about $20, covers roughly 100 images a day. That's 2 to 3 complete videos every single day, flat, voiced through HeyGen, assembly free, on my own machine. The 10th video costs the same as the first, nothing extra. And the earnings side, I'll stay honest with you. Explainer channels typically see $3 to $7 per thousand long form views. The channel we studied did 4.8 million views in 6 weeks. Run that math yourself. I can't promise you their views. What I can promise you is their cost structure. Actually, a better one. Set your expectations right. Image batches take real minutes, not seconds. Daily caps exist. The skill switches models automatically and keeps going, and the script is 80%. The last 20 is yours. But here's the actual unlock. This isn't one video, it's a machine. Every week the system stays the same and only the topic changes. Everything you watch today is one skill file. Comment MANAN below and I'll send you my free starter kit, the research checklist and the exact style prompts from this video. And if you want the full skill, the one that ran this entire pipeline end to end, every gate, every fallback with every update I ship, the link is in the description. It costs less than 1 month of the credit stack we just replaced, and it works from day one. Last thing, tell me in the comments which niche I should point this machine at next. Best answer becomes the next video. See you there.